All right. The first thing you want to do is get some electrical tape and then 2 sheets of grip tape. I got black and blue. All right. Line everything up. All right. As many lines of waves as you want, you need to put the electrical tape. I'm doing 4, but you can do 5 or you could do 3. You could do like 8, whatever you want. Dang, it's hot out here. What is this, Austin or something? What is this, Texas? You got 1, 2. All right, we got 4 strands of electrical tape on the 2 sheets of grip tape. Now we're gonna take a pencil or a pen. The heck kind of pen is this? And then, so on the edges, you want it to go straight for about 1/2 inch. And that's the secret to keeping it on your board. So you always kind of end horizontal or perpendicular, I don't know. You'll figure it out. What am I, a scientist or something? And you can always just try to fix it with the scissors later. Woo! It's hot out here. What is this, Texas or something? Okay, and alright, and 1 more. You know, it doesn't have to be anything special, but you can get as creative as you want with it. Oh yeah. And yeah. Alright. Now you're gonna take scissors and cut this out. All right. It's like careful patience, and you will persevere. I believe that in my heart. All right. Follow it, and you just kind of make it wavy. And it doesn't have to. And you kind of fix the lines whenever you're doing it, because you can only get it as good as you can draw, and then you can only draw it as good as you can draw, I guess. But you can only cut it as good as you can draw, but you can cut it better than you can draw. I don't know. Oh yeah. And then always in straight or perpendicular. Okay. So then you got this. Oh yeah, that looks great. Oh buddy, we put this electrical tape on too tight. Oh well. You know, just like in skateboarding, sometimes you don't do it perfect. But who cares? You know what I mean? Because then some dude will come up to the park and they'll be like, dude, that's some sick grip tape. And you'll be like, thanks man. I love skateboarding. Oh yeah, this is looking great. And this is just arts and crafts time. Honestly, you can just, you know, it's important to just get out there with some scissors and just make something cool. Oh yeah. It's a 30-minute video. You're freaking hurry. Dang, this is, dang. Talking about this. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And we got it going. See, it's like I put mine straight, but you could put one up here and one down there, and just kind of whatever. You'll figure it out. Most important thing is just to be satisfied with your grip. Because sometimes it's nice to have, you know, not the standard grip tape. And then you're just like, you know what? It kind of trains your brain to like try to do kick flips a different way or something. It's kind of like, you're like, I don't know how to even stand on this board. What? You know what I mean? Kind of get it like that. Kind of see how far you could lean back a little bit and just cruise like this. You know what I mean? Yeah. Oh yeah, this is getting even wavier, boy. Last one's the best one, apparently. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think honestly, sometimes it's good to cut this edge one last time on one of them, so you just cut this if it's not fitting right. But you know what? I think it will. So let's just go with it, you know? And if it messes up, then we'll fix it later, you know what I mean? Alright, yeah. Oh yeah. Dang, it's hot out here. What is this, Texas or something? What is this, Austin, Texas or something? What is this, Georgetown? I don't even know. Alright. This is the hardest part. You have to picture in your mind's eye where straight would be, and it's like, this is a guessing game, and it's, you know what? I haven't messed this up once, but you know what? Alright. So we're gonna kind of feel out, and you want a little bit over here, and a little bit over there, and you put it on. Oh yeah. And now we're gonna stagger this as a blue one, and then you can kind of check right here, and then see this edge. It's kind of fooled out right there. We're gonna like, oh yeah. It's arts and crafts time with Corey. The funkiest man, at least in St. Louis, boy. Oh yeah, that's looking good. You kind of want to go with like a 1/4 of an inch space in between the waves and let that boy ripple. What kind of bullshit? Alright, we got some. Never surrender. Alright. You just gotta put it on there. Oh yeah, we got it good. Alright. Freaking scared for a second, boy. I'll tell you that. Alright, let's do black. Feels like I'm freestyling this. Da-dum, da-dum, dum, dum, dum. Oh yeah, we'll get it. Like, apparently doing 4 is the wrong number. But you know what? We're grip tape masters, and we don't let nothing scare us ever in this life. Never surrender. It's a bit goggling. I'm like on the last edge. But you know what? We did it. And that's something to be proud of. Got a crisp edge right there, but Oh yeah. Dang, it's hot out here. What is it, Texas or something? So that's how you wave your grip. So get out there, try it out. Maybe you'll mess up your new skateboard, but maybe you'll do it right, and then you'll just be pretty happy with life. All right. It's like always. Some wild birds out here. What is it, Texas or something? And you could just save this and then grip another one, but we're rich and we don't have to, so. Man, what a nice day.